intelligent psychopath, particularly a sadist, very hard to catch. There's no traceable motive. There'll be no patterns. He may never kill this way again. Have Dr. Lecter draw up his psychological profile. He's very impressed with his opinion.
The Chesapeake Ripper kept surgical trophies. If Hannibal's the Ripper, what's he doing with his trophies?
He's eating them.
A killer who's eluded the FBI for years and has baffled their most gifted profilers. That serial killer? None other than the Chesapeake Ripper.